This is a LaCie portable USB hard drive that's been mailed in from Gold Coast, Queensland for data recovery. Inside is a Seagate Momentus 5400.4 250 gig hard drive. It was made in 2009, which makes it about 15 years old. When you plug it in, it makes a bad clicking sound, like a humming or buzzing, and it doesn't spin up. And there's the problem there, the heads are stuck. I've removed the damaged heads and you can see that the bottom stack here is completely destroyed. We'll have to replace them with some new ones. We have a huge parts inventory, so I'll just go get a new one off the shelf. We've got another donor drive in stock and you can see we've held on to these parts for over 10 years for a day like today. Check out the brand new beautiful heads I've installed. If you need data recovery from a LaCie hard drive, you can mail in from any location at zeroalpha.com.au and we will get your data back at the lowest price.